Okay, I spent the afternoon making some animal boxes from the native animals. First one here on the right, it's a brush-tailed possum box. This is a micro-bat box and a ring-tailed possum box. So yeah, got some cuts in here and a bit of plastic wire for the bats to hang on to. And the only thing to remember with these possum boxes is the correct size hole. 70mm for the ringtail, and slightly smaller box, although they do live together in pairs and with children or small groups, although the brush-tailed possums are solitary, and it's about 100mm hole. Now, saying that, we've actually got a ringtail possum box with a brush-tailed possum living in it. I'll just walk you through to the back of the garden. There's another possum box with an excluder on the outside to protect them from birds. And here, possum box, and there is a possum, and he's been living in it. Here's a native insect, native bees hotel, just different size holes and some old logs attached to a piece of timber and nailed into the tree. So here is our original possum box. I know it's hard to see. I can see in the hole, but the video can't seem to. Not sure if the possum's in there. Normally you see the top of its head or its tail. And I can't really see anything in the box right now. Alright, so hard to see, but this is a possum dray, or a second home that our local possum has built outside of the possum house, and it's in the lemon tree. It's just a bunch of twigs and dried leaves put together. Apparently possums always have more than one home, so that if one gets destroyed, they immediately can get to their other one and protect themselves from crows and noisy minor birds. So that's it, garden's coming together. 3 new possum boxes to go up, another native or microbat house, and we do have a microbat house right there in the garden. Not sure if there's any bats in it. Haven't been out at night to see any, although they are in the area and there's lots of insects around, so there should be. Okay, here's the one possum box. Just slightly higher than it's built its own dray over in the lemon tree, here in the nectarine tree. And of course, its main home is just up through there. Of course, hard to see because of all the leaves. But there it is up there. And to get rid of some old fence palings, we're going to shingle this and make a